Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by determining the exact Kia Sportage key style, 2-button or 3-button fob with an emergency metal key inserted. Hold the fob with buttons facing up and locate the small release slot near the keyring. Slide out the emergency key by hand to expose a seam. Wipe the fob clean so dirt does not enter when opened. Inspect the plastic shell for a stamped model number or symbol and confirm you will be replacing a CR 2032 coin battery. Place the fob on a soft cloth to prevent scratches and insert a 0.5 mm flathead screwdriver into the seam where the emergency key was removed. Gently twist and pry, working the tool slowly around the perimeter for about 10 to 20 seconds until small internal tabs begin to release. Do not force or snap the halves. Steady pressure prevents cracking the plastic. Avoid metal picks or sharp blades that can damage internal contacts, the circuit board, or the plastic locking tabs used to hold the shell together. Once open, lift the circuit board just enough to expose the coin battery and note the positive side orientation marked on the board. Press the battery retention tab to release the old CR 2032 and replace it with a new CR 2032, ensuring the polarity matches the marked orientation. Lower the circuit board back into place, align the shell tabs carefully, and press the halves together until you hear one firm snap. Finally, slide the emergency metal key back into its slot and test the fob buttons.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.